Let me show you how to allow TikTok access to your camera and microphone. Now, if you're on TikTok and you're trying to take a photo or a video, but it says it doesn't have access, I'll show you how to fix it. But first, hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, the first thing we're going to do is completely quit out of the TikTok app. So let me close out of the TikTok app. And we need to check your permissions for TikTok. You can do that on your iPhone or Android in the Settings app. So let's open up the Settings app, scroll to the bottom, tap on Apps, and then we'll scroll down until we find TikTok on this list. Keep scrolling. There it is. Now within here, you'll be able to see photos, microphone, and camera. It needs access to all of those to be able to upload and record videos. So I'm going to turn on camera and microphone and give full access to photos. Now, if you don't see this or this doesn't work for you, let's go back to the very beginning of your settings because screen time could be an issue for you. So let's scroll down, tap on screen time here, and then tap on content and privacy restrictions. Now, if this is turned on, potentially there's some limitations on using your microphone or your camera. You can see, for instance, on microphone here, potentially it's set to don't allow changes. And for TikTok, it is turned off, essentially not allowing you to use that microphone or make changes. So you want to switch all of these to allow changes and then go back out of here on any of these you want them to be allow. And you can even just turn off content and privacy restrictions if you don't need it. Now, if that is still not working for you, let's go back to the very beginning of your settings. We're going to just tap on the general option and then iPhone storage. Now on iPhone, you'll be able to offload the TikTok app, but if you're on Android phone, all you need to do is clear the cache and storage. It works the exact same. So I'm going to offload this app here and then just reinstall the app immediately afterwards. By going through this process, you force update it to the latest version, but most importantly, you clear the cache and temporary files on it. When it's done uploading and reinstalling, then I'll be able to open it and use my camera and microphone. I hope this helps. If it did, hit that subscribe button down below. Again, that's the best way you can say thank you. Thank you.